2 or 3 grooves, not too bulky, smooth surface, using all the combs, something like this, grooves to put the combs in and make sure that they are firmly in there. Okay. Hi, welcome back to the Not Just Sawdust workshop. My wife bought combs at Lidl's, and she wants me to make something where she can make bracelets in from cotton or wool, and so it's some kind of a loom kind of thingy, and she wants to use these combs as the measurements. They look like wood, but I don't know whether they actually are. Well, she bought 3, so I have to put 1 in some kind of a holder on this end, 1 on that end, so she can put the threads in between, and then use the 3rd comb when she weaves that wool or cotton in there, that she can use as a block to get them tight. And she's got several kinds of combs, so and I've got a list of what to do. So let's get started. Make it smooth. Yeah, always make it smooth. was a small project, but if it makes somebody happy. So Mirjam asked me to make this, and I asked her, do you want rubber feet under it so when you put it on the table it doesn't slide? No, don't want that. I wanted to put wooden dowels at the end to hook the wool or the cotton on, but she said no, I just want normal hooks. First she wanted one, but I convinced her to have 4, because if you put the columns in, and this leather holders came with the columns and advertised as wood, but well, I did cut them and done up, made out of wood. But yeah, you can put them in, and depending on the size you want, there's a wide one, very small one, and then that one is, well, a middle shaped one. You just put them in, hook the wool up and down, then you can weave through it, and that's what she wants to do. So, and I guess this works. I know a normal loom thing, I don't know how you call it in English, you could, you know, have a complete mechanism, and I'm thinking about it. Maybe I'm making her one like that too, but for now she just wants to make some bracelets, so this distance is more than enough, and as a matter of fact it's possible to make it a bit longer. So yeah, let's see if she can make a bracelet with this. That turned out really well. It's in use as of right now, so Mirjam can make some bracelets and other things and be creative with all kinds of cotton and wool and whatever stuff that is used in that process. For now I would say do some woodworking. It's a nice way to spend your time. Do some recycling. It's an even better way to spend your time, and see you all in the next video. Hartelijk.